Hi everyone, welcome back to Professor's Funda. Today we are going to see an Android based circuit simulation app that is Proto, Proto. You can see the front page whenever you open it. Click to new simulation. This is the page you are available with. You push the pause button so that it converts to play. Now seeing its option, if you are going from right screen towards the left, we have a simulation setting. Then from left to right, we have the components that it shows linear devices, digital devices, etc. Today we are going to simulate a half wave rectifier. For that I need a diode, a resistor and a AC power source. Now again from right to left, closing the option. To drag the component individually, you have to click on the component and drag them to the respective place. You can see as soon as you click the component, there are 3 or 4 options available which were hidden prior. So that second option is to rotate the device. After that, positioning all the components to their respective position. To interconnect them, there are dots available on both the end of the components. Clicking on that dot and midway and to the next dot where you have to connect, you can put the connections as we are doing in our circuit right now. Now since the connection are complete, we can see the current flow. Pushing the play button, see the current flow. Now if we wish to see the output at the oscilloscope, we require an oscilloscope for the output. So let's search. So you can see there is no option for the oscilloscope. So where to get it? You can get it by clicking to that component. Like we need across the resistance. Clicking on that resistance, there will be option available. And you can see the left, you have 3 options. The third option is the oscilloscope. Clicking on that and clicking on the play button, you have the curves moving at the top of the layer. Now to the simulation setting, we will increase the time step duration such that the graph is visible onto the full slot, and we'll decrease the simulation speed so that we can see the graph moving. Now you have the complete simulation of a half wave rectifier. This way you can simulate on your Android app also.